Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Here he comes, folks. The man, the myth, the meatball.
I want to know what you've done today. Have you accomplished anything? Have you been productive?
Get up, get out of bed. Tried to comb across my head.
Tommy, no, I don't want any sambuca in this.
Because already got enough vodka in it.
Looking good. Let me check the quality. Let's take a look at this.
All right.
Is this the template? Is this one you've done?
What do you mean? Yeah, that's one of my drawer fronts.
Nice radius is here. Nice. Looks good. The other one, not bad.
I'm cutting the dovetails.
Can I do the dovetails?
Is one of the top concerns of the American people, and Congress's failure to act on it is
Nice. Nice job. Looking good. Looking good. T Chisel is making progress.
people
You
understand
think?
the status
Yep.
quo.
Progress is your most important product.
Yeah, you know what? I'm just not getting it. Well, I'm getting there little by little, Al.
Little by little.
Yeah. So what's up, buddy?
Well, today's my wedding anniversary.
Get out of
It
here!
is.
Wow!
We're going down to Federal Hill. We'll probably go for lunch or whatever.
Oh,
Is that on?
Dude, yeah,
Is that
it's
on?
on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell your wife how lucky you are that she's stuck with you
I
for
know,
like
she's.
30 years,
I'm
50
lucky.
years or something.
I'm lucky.
That's what I said, how lucky you are.
She taught me all about woodworking. She bought me my first hammer and chisel.
Did she really?
Yeah, she did.
Get out of here.
Yep.
And it only took you until, you know what I mean,
saw.
to make it something worth
Exactly.
saving.
I mean,
Wow. That's awesome, buddy. I didn't know that.
she even gave me a nail set too,
A nail set.
and a caulking gun, so that I could go on my mistakes.
Hey, the only coffee we like to push around here is this coffee. Move that.
Well, I like honeydew because this
yeah.
goes along with my honeydew list. Honeydew this, honeydew that.
Yeah, I know what a honey to-do list is.
Okay.
I'm new to it, but...
Nice.
Okay.
Not bad.
Hey!
Looking good.
No, I was hiding your coffee. Those are the ones I rejected.
Oh yeah, I know, because the points are off. See?
No, it's not because of the points are off.
You notice that? See this?
They cut out roughly, yeah.
Oh, they're rough cut?
Yeah, the rough
Oh,
cut.
that's right, the rough cut show. Oh, that's why.
Hey,
This looks good.
we broke 100 on iTunes.
No way. 100?
That's a high five and say, not to
Okay.
crush my hand.
Peace.
Peace out.
Peace. Hang loose. When are we going to make a surfboard?
When I can afford to go surfing. So, we have to come up with another master's plan. Did you
Is that on
right
now?
Yeah, it's on.
It is. Another Masters show. I'll have to let me think about.
Well, since it's 4th of July, you know what I'm thinking? Do you remember Rocky 3 when they had their fight on 4th of July
Okay.
with Clubber Lang?
We can shoot off some fireworks.
No.
Oh,
I thought of that. I was going to set a firecracker off my bench, but
Firecrackers.
it's
Yeah.
the fire marshal
Yeah,
going to have a heart
like
attack.
I think we should go to the butcher shop and get a big side of beef.
For
We use it as a punching bag.
You going to buy it?
Well,
It's expensive. Side of beef isn't cheap.
no, we can cook it afterwards. We can have a cookout.
All right. No, but do you remember when the Master of Disaster came down with the red, white, and blue hat and the whole get-up and he was going to fight Clubber Lang?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
you could dress up like that. I'll dress up as Mr. T with the mohawk.
That'd be good.
That would be a good
That
one.
would be real good.
Right?
That'd be real good.
So, we're going to call up at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, but I'd be in the heavyweight division. You'd be in the lightweight division.
The super flyweight, baby!
This man.
No way, look, I got arms like orangutans. Put your arm up. Whoa, well, you have to stay straight. You're like sideways.
Okay, keep my chin.
Don't
chin to
turn it.
chin.
Look at, you're like this. Straight. Point
Okay.
at me straight, you dildo.
Oh, like this here?
Yeah. See your chance?
Yeah. Oh my God.
I have
Oh
bigger
my
orangutan arms. My friend calls me Clyde.
Clyde Drexler.
No, Clyde from Any Which Way But Loose. Remember the orangutan?
Oh yeah, yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you got the same hairdo as he does.
I don't know, aren't you?
Just because you tinted.
Oh
He
yeah.
tints his hair. He has a color. He
Yeah.
colors once a month.
You couldn't buy color like this. I've had many women ask me what I use for
Bada
color,
bing.
but you can't get this color.
You can't
Only
get
God
there.
gave me this
You
color.
can't
buddy.
get there from here.
So,
So
did you
anyway.
think anything else? How about Yoda?
Yoda's good. I don't know. Let me think. I'm trying to think.
Yoda's funny. I was watching it last night. Use the Force, Luke. I'm gonna be called.
I think-
You're gonna be called Blow.
I think that I should be dressed up as Austin Powers, and you could dress up as Mini-Me.
I'm bigger than you.
I know, but we can,
We would just look the same.
that's true. You could crank that seat down. And I
You could be Dr. Evil.
Dr. Evil. How about I got the perfect? You can be Smart Bastard,
Fat bastard.
Fat Bastard. That would fit you.
Oh,
Fat
You are a
Bastard.
fat bastard.
Hey, bing bada boom bada bing.
Ah.
Bing bada boom.
Hey, remember this?
Yeah, I turned that. I turned this.
I'm looking for Dr. Evil, Al. Oh, look at this.
You are evil.
Look at. Oh, here he is. I stole this off my buddy Ricky.
Mr. Evil.
Ricky! Hey, I lent my buddy Ricky a bunch of money, and he hasn't paid me back. So every time I go over to his shop, he's a barber, and he has a bunch of this shit in his shop.
Baba.
I steal him. I stole him like maybe 5 months ago. We should start taking pictures of him and sending them to him like his ransom. I too love to live dangerously. What do you think?
Yeah. Funny movie.
Really funny movie. I can't wait for the fourth one.
He loves my coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, golly.
I should put this on the bench when I'm in a bad mood.
You should.
It would always be on my bench.
Maybe he can cut some DuckTales for you.
I think it's so funny. Well, Dave, Trey, this is probably really boring.
Yeah, it is boring, Dave.
I thought that he was gonna have something interesting to say.
I don't have. I'm not.
Nothing.
It's 9 o'clock. I don't.
He
get,
has no creative energy at all.
Hey.
Look at him.
I don't get in the zone until 9:30.
Yeah, such a
At
liar.
9:30, I'll be in the zone big time.
Oh, really? You'll be thinking
No,
about some creative.
The creative juices.
I am the
flowing.
genius, the mastermind. Alright, Mr. Powers, I'm going to rule the world. Hey,
Oh God.
can we just do that? We'll go get Austin Powers and I'll get a. We'll use Dr. Evil and Austin Powers and just talk behind him. That's a funny skit.
Shut that off. Shut that off. I don't want. I am.
Alright, shut up. You suck.
Glib.